Wow, damn. So it works now. Okay, alright. Yeah. Yeah, we're starting very late. This is the latest I've ever started my streams. Damn. This is the latest I've ever started my streams, huh? What the hell is with my haircut? Damn. Yeah, don't you just hate it when your haircut is wrong? Well, can't always have the perfect haircut. Okay, I need to pop out my chat so that I can actually see it. On YouTube, right? Then what? Then I will also want it to, oh shit. Okay, yeah. Twitch chat overlay so that I can also see my Twitch chat above all other windows. Ah, god damn it. I'm not Chinese, Saif. I'm Central Asian. There's more difference than between French and German. Jesus Christ, we're practically different civilizations. We have different genes, different DNA. Anyway, say if you want to play Roblox in like an hour or something, fuck off. Well, yeah, say that's not even how you spell fuck. That's not how you spell fuck, man. How are you doing, Saif? Haven't seen you in a long time, in a long ass time. A long time, in the longest time, in fact. No, he's not here anymore, alright. Alright, so. Can I share the same insane shit? Hey there, Gandalf. Yeah, you want to share the insane shit, right? Come on, Gandalf. Go ahead. Damn, so you just left. I want to know how he was doing. What Saif was up to. Sent in Discord. What'd you send in Discord? This is just some random gif with Chris Pratt. Oh, I mean, you're right. $200,000. Yeah, right. And you, of course, earned all of that money. Why I'm going to bed, and if Maddie comes by, tell her she's a bitch. Why would I tell her she's a bitch, Saif? Why is she a bitch? And fuck her. Why is she? What did she do, Saif? Did she reject you, or did she roast your advances somehow? What happened, Saif? What happened? Damn. Well, if I get a story about your interaction from her, it's gonna sound even less amusing for you, right? She's going to discredit you even more. So what's the story behind those $200,000, Gandalf? It's insane. What? Did you rob like a local sheikh or something? Yo, Chris, how are you doing? Damn, we got Saif, we got Gandalf, we got Chris. This is insane. Damn, now Saif got me wondering why he's so angry at Maddie. Oh, what'd you think of the images in Discord and the new look into bed? You've already seen this look. What the fuck are you talking about? This is weird. You've seen this look. You've actually seen me with this mask. I mean, with my lower mask. Or upper face exposed. A bad memory? Damn. Well, yeah. I've already seen your bad memory with your password management, right? You guys down for some Roblox later on, like in half an hour, because I'm not planning on coding too much today. Oh man, I hate the code I have to fix this week. This is insane. The code, sure, I'm down for Roblox. Great, great. The code I have to fix today, the code I'm fixing today, and the code I have been fixing for what, some days now, is so stupid. It's very important for performance, for the performance of this, of displaying posts on the website. But the problem is, none of my users are going to notice any difference because this is such a back end complex technicality, and nobody's gonna notice it. And so, you know, not a person's gonna notice any sort of progress in the front end, which sucks. Jesus. Yeah, I mean, you know, sending in print screens of you making like $1,000 or $2,000 could be somewhat believable. $200,000? No, that's where you lose me, Gandalf. There's no way I'm gonna believe that this is true. That's so funny how we met through a rule you broke. What do you mean? What do you mean we met through a rule? You mean are you talking to me or Gandalf? I don't even know who you talking to. Who you talking to? Who you talking to? Talking to me? Talking to me? Damn, do I close my Docker? That's in the wrong channel in Cow Beats. No, no, I did not advertise on the wrong channel. If you remember, I actually filed a ticket. I filed a ticket where I asked whether or not I could advertise at all. And you were actually the one who responded to that ticket because you were part of their team. Yes. So I never broke any rules because I would always ask for my advertising, opportunities before I would just, violate or invade the hell out of someone else's chat channel. And you actually told me that no, it was not permitted to do any sort of advertisement like that, and then you DM'd me and expressed your desire to be a mod here. So no, I did not break any rules. For the fat rat, but got removed shortly after. What the hell is a fat rat? What the fuck is a fat rat? That sounds like a horrible, very shady porn traffic club. Like, I don't know, some sort of a niche porn genre club there with musicians that you heard before. Okay, can you, god damn it. My head being tired or sleepy. Can you, give me hints what those people are? I mean, what those musicians are? Low saved. You heard their songs before. Well, I didn't know. I mean, I heard a lot of songs. You gotta give me some, inputs on what those songs are. It's a person's online artist name. Oh, yeah, right. You gave me you once, gave me a song I listened to. Yeah, and it had like, several millions of views on it. Their actual name is even more believable that I don't actually charge for my privates. but take donations. Look, Gandalf, there is no way I'm believing 200k, okay? 1k is believable. 2k, those things were hard to believe to some people. 200k, this is not even how economy works. I was joking, don't say it. What say? If you got scared that I would tell Maddie that? Well, too bad, see if I've already told that to Maddie. She actually, boys can confirm, Maddie came to the chat. I told her what you asked me to say to her, and she said she called you a jerk. She said she would never ever talk to you again. So, it's a little bit too late. The strat songs, if other callers and one changer just $800 for a towel. Oh, God. It was a joke. Well, Maddie didn't perceive it as a joke. Maddie got really, got really annoyed. She said she would never ever talk to you ever again, Saif. That, she actually said that she thought you were cute and that, you might have a chance with her if you ever met her, but now she seemed very disappointed with you, Saif. And yeah, skill issue to be honest. If you heard the song, okay. Yeah, I mean, say if you ruined your chances. You had such wonderful chances with Maddie, and now you ruined it. Um, I can't believe you fumbled that hard over something stupid that probably never even took place. Damn, Saif. You gotta, Saif, you gotta, really, I have a new girl who lives in Algeria. Okay, who is that girl? And you say, what the fuck? This dude looks like Ben Affleck. You're just bragging at this point. Think of the image I sent in Discord. Listen, Gandalf, people who make this much money do not. They think differently. They think differently. They act differently. They go differently about life. Like, there's no way. I mean, if you really made that much money, it would absolutely, I'm not saying you should, but it would absolutely not cost you anything to donate me, to donate to the website. And so, at this point, it's just weird. Fucker, fucking deer. Oh yeah, that deer is so fucking insane. Like, what the hell? This, his nose protruding like that and his cheeks, blowing up like that, it makes its face look like a balls, like shaft and balls, like a dick. Like a penis. Look at that. Don't worry, I have not said the story behind it. I just want to see your reactions to it first. Yeah. I don't know if my reaction is disappointing, but I don't believe that. What happened, Saif? Why are you so angry at Maddie? I was messing with you. Maddie hasn't even appeared yet today in the chat. Jesus, Saif, she never was here. She never was here, Saif, and you believed me. I played you like a damn fiddle. Oh, yeah, right. I remember why I opened up YouTube. You guys, hey, Chris, you wanna play Roblox with me and Gandalf later? Like, half an hour? You're out of touch. Bro tried to cope by getting angry. To cope with what? With being rejected? Yeah, great. So basically a guy gave me this for safekeeping until they got back from surgery. What? Out of all people. Of course, they gave you to safekeep the money, not the bank. At this time and age, why would anyone need a bank account, right? It's not like banks can be trusted. They didn't demand money. Jesus. What the fuck did I want to do? You're out of touch. I'm out of touch. I tried to give it back, but they insisted. So hold on. They gave it to you to, you know, keep it for yourself while they're in the surgery, but then once, you know, after the surgery, you insisted on giving that money back, but they refused. This is so stupid. This is literally not how it happens. Don't give it to a bank either. They're shady as fuck and they're if they get robbed, what the fuck are we living in? The early 1900s when banks literally could get robbed with from of their physical values. Modern day banks, that's not how they operate, Chris. What the fuck? And even if bank loses something, even if bank loses money, Chris, this is, you know, bank doesn't just specifically trace whose money it was, like physically. They essentially just make collective net loss of value, so try to make up for it somehow. We had 2 meetings at this point. God, this is so stupid. Rat, you said was the name? The fat rat, of course. Oh yeah, right. Yeah, I remember.
Oops.
God damn it.
Looks like we don't have a YouTube video this time, and that's your fault, by the way. See, I didn't plan Honk as a song that I wanted to release. It was just meant as a joke
fuck do
for
I
a short
stop
form
it?
video.
Shut the
but
fuck
ever
up,
since
dude. Yo. How the hell? Why the hell did he start playing it? Why is this music video missing? The Honk. Yeah, I remember you showing me that guy. It's really cool. He has that amount of million views, but I don't think I've ever listened to him or heard his music. Not also they have agreed to become a financial patron for me and my spirituality and refer to me to other financial patrons. All right, if you have all those rich financial patrons, why don't you at least once refer them to me? Like, you know, you gotta share. Besides, I'm making a website. I'm making, you know, a real product. Don't they want to? Don't you think they would at least want to invest in that? Unity? Where the fuck is the Unity? Monkeys. Monkey. Unity. Yeah, we've already listened to that. Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, I actually remember this. I did listen to that. I did listen to that. Yeah, I actually remember pointing out that I must have heard that. They must have heard that before. Psycho Mantis. Yeah, they seem interested if you want. Yeah. Absolutely. At least, you know, we can always have one more viewer. Would never hurt us. Well, you can refer anyone. They don't have to become financial patrons or, you know, donate money to me. They can just become my stream viewers. They can become my Twitch viewers. That also helps. What big boss skating? My name has the very goes I'm feeling. Oh, my name. I can play this game, so I ask again. This isn't even Big Boss. This is Solid Snake. Big Boss is the original Naked Snake. This is his clone, Solid Snake, his son. My name has the Henry Guys feeling. Yeah, your stories seem unbelievable. I mean, with $200K, you can literally start multiple businesses wherever you live. games. Those skating games, this is insane. No, that is not Big Boss. Yeah, see, even people point us out. No, that is not Big Boss. No, that is Salt Snake. Hey, Gandalf, you're up for some demonology in 10 minutes. I have unlocked new map. My spiritual group is composed of 14, 16 around people. There's so much you can do. Yeah, there's so much you can do. Like, keep sending us screenshots of you making supposedly 1 million, millions and millions of dollars. No, literally. Like, what the hell are you going to send next? I mean, you know, Gandalf, after $200K, anything seems small, so you gotta up your game a bit. The next number you should send should always be bigger than the previous one, right? So what are you going to send us? Freaking 1 million? And what is it going to be in 1 month? 1 billion? Then what? 1 trillion? You're gonna be richer than Elon Musk? Damn. No one hears a word they say. No words they say. What the hell is this? Damn. There's no way, there's no way this is real graphics, right? If everything is talked about was true, if everything was true, my reaction would be, well, Gandalf, I'm pretty sure this is stupid. No one should just be that lucky. Being that lucky, I kind of find it economically immoral. I am a utilitarian. I believe that if you receive money, it should always account for certain objective economic value that all people can agree on. You must either produce something to receive that amount of money or do something else that would be meaningful to everyone. If you receive big amount of money without having done anything meaningful, that just means you've appropriated someone else's resources on the other side of the globe. That means someone else on the other side of the planet had to work really hard, really hard, for you to get resources that you didn't even work for. You don't know fluent Arabic, but you're a Kuwaiti. What the fuck? Isn't Arabic... Dude. Isn't Arabic the basic speaking language of Kuwait? Then how the fuck are you not fluent in Arabic? And instead are fluent in English? That just sounds insane. By the way, that first chick, she's kinda hot, not gonna lie. I would bang her 10 out of 10. Would bang her 10 times out of 10. Solid Snake is stronger than you think. What the f is this? Is this AI generated or what? Oh no, it's just...
What? The first rays of the sun bled over the horizon. Leak somewhere. I understand that time's not on our...
What about occultism connections and all that? Yeah, literally have seen no proofs whatsoever. Not a single proof. Not a single proof in regards
hiding
to
behind the prison.
I've never seen your members in person. I've never seen them interact with you in any sort of plausible way. literally applies the spiritual group of everything I said is true. I didn't know, dude, Gandalf. To be fair, I kind of despise it because I see no economic value in what you're doing. I'm not saying I'm somehow virtuous because at the end of the day I make a website that doesn't really produce anything objective. It only acts as an infrastructure for people to collaborate as an infrastructure, but even that is far fetched. And the second layer to why I don't really like that is because I am a Abrahamic. I am Muslim. I believe in only one metaphysical force, which is Allah. The fact that you somehow opposes authority, I mean, I find it kind of stupid. I don't even believe in all that occultist stuff. I don't believe in demons. I don't believe in ghosts or jinns that much. Even if jinns are mentioned in Quran, I don't really believe in them. No offense. You're a cool guy to hang out with, but I don't really agree with most of the stuff you do. No, this is not Solid Snake. No more parties after 4 years of sobriety. Jesus. Nor do you believe the stuff I say. Yeah, I mean, would you believe that? If a guy just showed you randomly, first started showing you randomly screenshots of him getting 1K, then 2K dollars, and then all of a sudden he would jump immediately, he would skip numerous natural steps and just jump at 200K all of a sudden. Would you believe a guy like that? You don't own a business or anything. How would you? I don't even think occultist members take that much, nor do you believe the stuff I say. Oh no, you already said it. What the fuck is a tac tac funk? Is this one of those songs that are used extensively in the edits and short edits of YouTube? Yeah, I believe it's one of them. Kinda cool, not gonna lie. This is Armenian. No, wait. No, this is Georgian, right? God damn it. I always confuse their alphabets. Wait. Georgian alphabet. Armenian is a little bit more like squares. Yeah, I think this was Georgian alphabet, but what about Armenian? Armenian alphabet. Yeah, so, fuck, dude. What the fuck? Why do they have such similar... What about my non-financial stuff? That I find more believable, but I do not approve of that. I don't approve nearly anything of what you do. Nearly anything of what you do. So this was Georgian alphabet. Georgian alphabet seems to have a lot of things, a lot of round things, whereas Armenian alphabet has a lot of open concavities. It's one thing that it might not be true, it's entirely another what it is, if it is true. Because there is nothing that I respect about occultism. I mean, occultism just parasites on people's desire for mysticism and alternative metaphysical authority. Alternative from God. Usually it's people's metaphysical or existential way to rebel against reality, if we're talking about it psychologically. So that is why a lot of people who claim to be Satanists, occultists, pagans. Those are usually the people who exhibit rebellious values because they simply want some sort of intellectual tool of opposition towards God, which is in their case perceived like some sort of an authority, authority over reality. Oh, dude, this song is very nice. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it. Like that I don't know fluent Arabic yet. What do you mean you don't know fluent Arabic yet? Are you planning to learn it? This sentence implies so much stupid stuff. You have no idea. Like, the way you phrase the sentence, I'm suspecting that you never knew Arabic. You only started learning it most likely recently. But before that, you only knew English. So I take it right now you're in the process of learning Arabic. But this kind of invites a whole different bag of questions. How you lived in Kuwait without, how you survived in Kuwait with no knowledge of Arabic. This is just insane. Yeah, you were homeless twice too. See, now, you being homeless is something I can actually believe. I've gotta watch this anime someday. It's perceived to be a very cultural product. Like, it's perceived to be one of those iconic, serious franchises that a lot of more educated anime enthusiasts seem to be knowledgeable of. Not that I want to be an anime enthusiast, no, but it still is very cool. People like, dude, the cyberpunk in this anime, the cyberpunk aspects, the space warfare, the love triangle. This looks so sick. Wait, where was this? There was this moment with that they were kind of hanging out in some sort of attraction park. That was a really cool scene that showcased what the city usually looked like. God damn it. Alright, let's Dude, this is so beautifully drawn. 1970s and 1990s anime. The handwritten, the peak of handwritten complexity is so unmatched by modern anime. Well, consider the fact that I got, despite not knowing fluent Arabic yet. Yeah, which just makes it even less believable. If you got converts who speak exclusively Arab, most likely, without knowing Arabic whatsoever, yeah, that just sounds impossible. Where the fuck was that moment? Oh yeah, this shot right here. This is such a cool cyberpunk setting. Jesus Christ. Oh god, just this shot alone kind of sells me on watching this show. This shot alone is so darn you know, attractive that I just want to binge watch the whole anime. Is that member of Parliament? Yeah, that stuff. I mean, the psychedelic cop and Street Tracer and the crypto guy, very believable. The member of Parliament, no, not so much. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Shut up. Walking by the look I give? What do you mean? Oh Jesus, this bass line and his vocals, they go so hard against me. Yo, I thought about it. It's not cool to call her that things. Tell her. Sorry. Saif, I don't know if you were here, if you've been here when I said that. That was a joke. She was never here, Saif. Another disbelief. Yeah, of course. I mean, what else am I supposed to do? Saif, she was never here. I made this all up. I never told her any of that stuff. She wasn't even here yet. I don't even know if she's gonna appear today at all. Cool. Why would you even want me to say that? Why are you so angry with her? Is this because she rejects your advances? What's your Discord? It's Oop. It has P. Diddy on its profile pic. My name. Who the fuck is thinking Wolf? Let me alone, no Discord, no bullshit. What happened, say? What the fuck happened with you? What are you, going through some sort of a depression? Some sort of a 16-year-old prom drama? I thought you had a girlfriend. You said you had a new girlfriend in Algeria. Speed new song. Well, I will react to it if you promise not to go away. Or if you promise to play Roblox with us, Saif. If you promise that, I'll watch the speed song. Maybe? No, it doesn't cut it. It has to be a solid affirmative yes. Okay, alright, in that case, let's watch stupid video music video. What the fuck is this? Hold on.
And it ends here.
Oh,
Scatman's world.
What? Of course. I'll point to the screen and say, "Hey mama, that's how I know I didn't live my life in Wayne." Because I literally know that guy personally. He would watch my streams, mama. Look, I know this guy, mama. I've been friends with this one, Headshot, gas in a truck. Damn, he's being very consistent with making those music videos. You want me to watch this? Headshot, gas in a truck. Safe. Well, yeah, then big names. Then big names? Well, I promise you only one video. If you play with us, I'll finish off the streaming session with big girl. If you play with us, after that we can watch your video, watch your second video. Well, I gotta admit, the beat is not bad. The music production went up this time, way better. It's way better. Synchronicity. What the fuck is synchronicity? Oh, hey. Yes, the music production is really good this time. Way better than previous standard copy-paste bullshit from his producer. Yeah, especially that synth in the background. That's in a whole different key of the vibe. No, that line wants to blow my whistle like a referee. This sounds horrible. This sounds... If I ever saw that line somewhere in the script to a rap song, I just instantly cross it out. Instantly. Until it sounds yeah, he's just trying to grind that experience to become psychotic patient, right? Let me take her to the back, she wanna look at me. Look at me. Movie scene. Baby, let's turn up in this party. What's a wedding ring? What's a wedding ring? I'm not gonna lie, I actually vibe to that. That sounds actually sick. That sounds like something. Jesus, look at that face. How the fuck did he manage to make that face? He looked like some goofy video game character. Wait, did he already change it to a different song now? He's dancing. Wait, hold on. I wanna finish this one. I get it that you're a zoomer with an attention span of a golden fish, but I want to actually finish that song. We're all zoomers. I'm not. Technically, I'm not exactly a zoomer. I'm like, hold on. Zoomer, age, range. So zoomer, well, born between, okay, well then I'm a zoomer. God damn it. I'm one of you guys, I'm one of you folks. Jesus. He's a nunk. Yeah, I'm a nunk. Oh, this song is... I actually like this music clip, the music video way better. The music was produced way better than all the previous ones we listened to. Welcome to the club, old man. Yeah. So glad to know I'm not as old as I thought I was. That's releasing a whole album. Bro Speed is really flowing this W. What a journey. Say we up. Feeling blessed. What the fuck was that gesture? What is this gesture? What is this rubbing on his cheeks? What is this diagonal rubbing on his cheeks? Is he crying? Is he wiping away tears that are reaching his cheeks? This is weird. I know that the money got the man. I know how these goofies come swag. Young killer came up from the fuck, man, I'ma go. People who ain't come from where I'm from like they don't know. Getting bigger, man, like they don't know. Fast kid, rich as hell, and you know I'm a scope. How you figure that? You know, the problem I think about Speed as a rap artist is that sometimes he produces very good takes on music. Like this song overall is very good. It could be his best entry into music. But the problem is he doesn't, moderate through all his lyrics, because some of the lines in his lyrics, they suck so hard that they may ruin the whole freaking song. Love my smell. I have no clue what this sentence is even supposed to mean, Gandalf. And so the thing is, I just wish he, I don't know, gave another read through the lyrics and just fix more stuff about it. I love my feet. What the fuck are you guys talking about? You guys are going insane now. Oh, number one. What? Jesus. Ugh. Don't ever say that. Don't ever say that. I thought it was weird when Maddie said something along that line, like when she would confess love to my parts of the body, but when you say that, it's even weirder. It's even worse. Is this Joker? Was this Joker right there? I am not Chinese. Yo, those are yeah, those are just iconic movie characters, I guess. But that Joker was drawn very poorly. They did no justice to that Joker. Big deal like the world comes. Say we up. I'm pretty sure he ruined it. It was starting off so well, but he just ruined it. Alright. Well, it's time for Roblox, right? That reality is an illusion. Well, then I would just counter-argument you that, you'd have to define what you perceive as a reality and what you perceive as an illusion. If I'm part of an illusion, illusion is my reality. There's just no way around it.